If your hiccups sound like a squeaky toy, you're in for a treat. Let's explore some quirky hiccup facts. Fact 1. Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Fact 2. Holding your breath is one way to stop them. But did you know a spoonful of sugar might work too? Fact 3. Hiccups can last for minutes or even hours, but the world record is over 68 years. Fact 4. Babies hiccup in the womb to practice breathing. And finally, Fact 5. Some scientists believe hiccups are a leftover from our evolutionary ancestors who had gills. Crazy, right? Like, share, and subscribe to Obscure Science TV for more mind-blowing facts.